Assalamualaikum everyone. Alhamdulillah for another day. Today I'm going to share you about recipe of donuts. So these are all the ingredients. Sifted 4 cups all-purpose flour, half cup of evaporated milk. This one I use. And 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 whole milk medium size, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and 2 tablespoons of butter. I have this kind of butter, and this white is I have extra homemade butter. And yes, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast. So first, I have to make warm this milk. I have to make warm this one, not too hot and not too cold. Just only warm. So I already make warm this milk. Now we have to put now this yeast. This is instant yeast. So must be this milk you make warm because during this time it's winter. So need to make warm this milk and 3 tablespoon of sugar, 2 or 3 tablespoon, and then 1 medium size of egg, and then we have to mix this one. And then we have to leave this one for 5 minutes. Let's say this yeast will be expand or this sugar it will be melted. So we have to leave this one for 5 minutes, and now uh, we have to mix this one. Mix this 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of milk powder. This is optional. If you have, you can use. If you don't have, then no need. Now we have to mix this one. You can use your hand. So let's check this diluted warm milk with sugar, 1 egg, and yes. Now it's time to put now here in flour. First, we have to make whole hair in center. Then we have to put all this one. Now we have to make like this. Now we can put now this melted butter. If needed, you can use also water. So we can add water here. And then we have to knead this one. First mix all this one until become sticky, become mix all this flour. Now we have to start knead it. But I already knead this one for almost 5 minutes. But must be we have to knead well so the dough will become okay. I use only this kind of water, this half I think or more than. No, this is, I put 1 glass here, but I use only from here. Now, as you can see the dough, so I think this is enough. Now we have to put now this one here in bowl. I already brush butter here and or oil, so we have to put this one and then we have to cover it and leave this one for almost 30 minutes or 1 hour. Now this is the dough of donut. Wow, it's really rise and it's really expand after more than 1 hour. Now we have to take out from bowl. And then we divide this one into circle like this. What is enough for this one? We have to sprinkle flour. Must be we have to fold this one. And then we have to take out. And then we have to form like this. And we have to put finger inside. Then we have to arrange it like that. I made only 9 pieces of donuts. Now we have to leave this one again for 15 minutes. Then we have to start fry. Now let's fry now these donuts. After 30 minutes, now it like become like this. Frying donuts. Oh, because too much fire. That's why it's almost burned. But it's okay. It's almost burning because of the fire in wood cannot control. So like this already, but it's okay. Now we have to put now this grinded sugar so we can test what is taste of my donuts. Now we have to cut cut this one and we can taste what is ano for this one. Now we have to make this one. Oh. Oh, yan. Luto din sa ano sa loob. It's almost cooked inside. Now we have to taste. Bismillahi wala barakati lang. Sarap.